76 degrees, going to 93, back down to 70, 72 tonight. The humidity is 93%. It is 20 till 8 in the morning. We are going to Rex, Georgia, to look at a 2000 Chevrolet van. So far, he hasn't gotten back in touch with me about the location and or a number. He has said that, you know, coming to look at it today would be okay. So we may be wasting a trip down there, but either way, we will get video, and we will also, let me turn this around. We're going to go to the store and get breakfast. We'll also get video of Lithonia and whatever that city is down there at the mall. I can't ever remember what that name of that city is. The mayor offered to change the name of it to Amazon if Amazon relocated down there, but that didn't work out for him too well. But yeah, we'll get video of Lithonia. We'll get video of maybe Panola Mountain State Park, maybe Little Panola Mountain. So there's plenty to get video of. So even if we don't get to look at the van, there is interesting stuff to do in the area. So there's a trail I would really like to ride, walk down along the South River, but there again, I'm just not going to leave the van, get that far away from the van with everything we've got in it. So we're coming up on the store. They have good breakfast, they have a good selection, they have good lunch, they have good selection. 4 or 5 meats, vegetables for lunch, but you know, they'll have eggs, gravy biscuits, bacon, several meats, grits. Very good breakfast choice here if y'all are in the area. Oh, the market, not the store. The store's over on 78, Turkey Mountain. This is the market. We'll pick this video back up on the way down. Okay, on our way to Rex, we'll go right through Winder. There's a bike shop I want to find up here. If we don't buy that van, we're going to come back by this bike shop and see about getting a bike rack for the back of this van. If we do buy the van, we got to get it back to Arcade. I don't know if I could convince him to follow me back to Arcade and then me bring him back, or whether Frank's got time or some way to get this van back to Arcade, Georgia. When we get through Winder, we're going to go ahead and turn this video, or wrap this video up and start uploading it so y'all will know what to expect for today. Like I say, either buying a van and getting it back, or Panola Mountain, Little Panola Mountain, Lithonia. The Lithonia video has been a very good video. People liked it a lot and viewed it a lot. I think I've got more than one, but okay, let's look for a bike rack in a bike shop. It's supposed to be right along here somewhere. We may have to Google bike shop in Winder, Georgia, because I have not seen one. We'll get video here of the courthouse.